Hi, welcome back to AI Evolution. In our first episode, we saw how AI was born with the Turing test and got its name. Today, we look into the first big challenges after 1956. After 1956, there was a huge excitement. Scientists believed they were just few years away from creating the truly smart machine. The feeling was if we can play checkers, we can solve everything. This optimism led to a focus on what we call expert systems. Imagine a computer that could hold all the knowledge of a top doctor or a top geologist. Scientists tried to build this by typing in thousands of specific rules, like if the patient has a symptom A and symptom B, then the, the likely diagnosis is C. These systems work well in very narrow fields. They were great for diagnosing certain diseases or finding mineral deposits. They could even outperform humans in those specific tasks. The problem? The real world is messy. If the problem didn't fit the rules, the system broke. It had no common sense. For example, a geology expert system might know everything, but I mean, know everything about rocks, but it couldn't know that rocks don't float. The simple human knowledge was missing. Also, it was impossible to type in all the rules for every problem. As the amount of data grew, the system couldn't handle it. The programs became too complicated and too slow for the computers of the time. This led to a lot of disappointment. Funding was cut, and major reports criticized the lack of progress. The public stopped caring. This was the first AI winter. Research slowed down for many years, but this setback was actually a necessary step. It taught researchers what to, what not to do. It showed them that simply programming rules wasn't enough. They need a new approach. It need to learn the rules itself. The idea of learning eventually lead to the massive AI we see today. Join me next time on the AI evolution. We will explore the quiet years when researchers found a new way forward, a focus on machine learning. Thanks for listening.